Hey friends, if you cannot set a default app for MP4 on Windows, then please watch this video. Let's say that we have this default MP4 file here. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties, and it's an MP4 file. Now I am unable to set a default app, means I right click on it, open it and choose another app, and I'm not able to set a default app. So the default app should ideally be the movies and TV app for this one. Just do one thing, search for movies and TV, and in the right pane, you can click on app settings and scroll down and click on reset and then reset it once again. So try setting it as a default app once again, but if it doesn't help, or if you don't want it, then I'll give you a much better option, because this is what I use. I wouldn't even suggest using the Windows Media Player. It is not an effective app. Simply search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store, and then search for VLC and hit enter. Okay, and then go to VLC and then select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.